What's up, guys? Welcome back. So, yesterday I did some trading at work. I was trying some dollar cost averaging strategies paired with ICT. Um, so I took a big trade, made about 8,000. So we're in the green on our leap challenge, which is good. We're gonna have to risk more because some of these guys are already like at 1,000% gain on this. If we look at, I don't know if you guys trade with um, Trading View, but you got people. Let's see. Account profit 8%. Where's the leaderboards? Just saw them. Oh, here we go. You got this guy at like 1,264. If you can make that like on a regular day, like holy crap. It's like most of these guys are trading Bitcoin. Alright, well, back to, let's see. So we might have some inversion here. This sell side looks really good down here. I guess it did wick it. So let's see about that. Otherwise, we might continue to run. This might have been the swing. The quick whip. The quick manipulation. So one thing that I learned, if you're not confident about, just placing a trade inside this first presumed fair value gap at 930, you can trade the inversion. So what that would look like is, let's say it goes up from here, we can take this inversion right here. As it goes up, comes back down, then you can trade off of that. Come back to the almost consequent encroachment of this. Probably could have taken a trade off of that, but I'll wait for it to come back. I'm bullish. I don't know what I'm trying to sell. Let's buy 10. Here. I actually don't like the position that I'm in because of that. I want to see that close and turn inversion first. I need to get up above here first before I think about taking some more buys. And I'll see if it gets below here, we can take another buy here. Has to take out liquidity. That's my rule. It has to take out some form of liquidity before I can trade a reversal. I did take out some here, but I think the stronger liquidity is down here. We didn't really trade it to a discount either yesterday. No, it's okay. What is it? Yeah, even for me. It still looks weak to me for taking a buy. One, we have a fair value gap. We have a trade off of this. This turned into inversion, the 930. I have an order block here. Inside that inversion. It just, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know why I don't like it. Well, I mean, I do know why, at least for the most part, because we're trading below the 930 fair value gap. This created a fair value gap here. It just doesn't, it seems like we're not, yeah, it just seems weak to me. So if we look at this right here, we have this inversion playing out. So this is good for the bull side. So what we would want to see is we go up here, maybe hit this little gap here, this order block here, trade back down into this area, and then start going higher. Don't have really anything else for the rest of the day as far as news goes, so that's nice. We can kind of we also closed in this fair value gap, and then we never closed. The bar closed below this. We just wicked through it, so that's a good sign as well. Guess the buy was good off of that candle, but see if we get a dip back down in here. Basically, what I'm waiting for, I would like to see it come back down into here so we can buy. If we look at this, we'll have to see, but I'll have to take a buy below here. Well, right on the 50% retracement. This would have been a okay trade, I guess. We are green lighted for the reversal trade just because we've taken out a minor sell side. We've taken out a minor sell side here, and then we traded into the 830 fair value gap. Consequent encroachment, we had a shift in order flow here off of this red candle, creating a order block. And we also have a fair value gap. And it traded down into it. And boom. So this would be a good trade idea. Traded off of, like I said, went down, manipulation, took out a minor sell side, and then all the stops are. And then we had the shift in order flow here off of this. So this would be an order block. And we have a fair value gap here. Price dips down into the order block, stays above, actually closes above it, and then we trade higher to take out a profit there. That would be our first take profit, at least. Not a bad trade if I stayed with it. What I was afraid of was it would go into this fair value gap just one more time and then start going for the sell side, but that's what I was afraid of. I think for the next time, I just need to go ahead, place the trade, let it ride, and then if I'm afraid that it's gonna go, just push my stop. Like I could easily put this trade to break even, and then watched the order blocks throughout the chart, which I told myself many times to do. So like this right here, respects it. Like that, and then like this right here, price doesn't come back down to it, respects it. Even this right here. So that's how you can help yourself stay in a trade. If it does close below like this, like a red candle like that closes below, then you probably should just get out. But so that is the quick recap of what I need to do to get better at that. So what time is it? 9:05. So I'm gonna like kind of re-say that so I can put it in a short or something. So we have, this will be a note. We have sell side reversal. So We have huge buy side up here. We should be able to take that out today. So I'm gonna see if we can or not. It's 10 o'clock. Okay. So I was doing all this stuff. Watch those closely here. I think we could see it possibly reverse here at this level. We do have an inversion that kind of makes me a little nervous. Just need to see price push through that. Haven't created a red order block yet. The only thing that should hold price would be this right here. We have some, yeah, that's kind of what I was fearing. We really need to push through that. It's kind of like our barrier from going higher at this point. But I do think there's a high possibility we could reach this. Might not be now. Might want to trade into a discount first, but yep, I'm gonna close my position. I shouldn't close my position there, but oh well. We're gonna run this buy side. That would be another buy, if anything. Alright, well, go back to our... We gotta stop doing that. That's really sad. That's really sad. Alright, so we got sell side for the reversal. So my rule is now, before I can think of taking a trade, in the opposite trend. Like for example, like all this right here. This is, huge selling, or not selling, I would say. Either this is manipulation, where you have market makers driving price down for this, which is the manipulation aspect of the market. Excuse me. So when the only way I can trade, like when there's red candles like that that show a lot of momentum, the only way I can trade a reversal once this happens, or even if we have structure, like say it went up here, traded lower, up here, trade lower, the only way I can take a reversal trade would be if it took out a sell side first. So we have sell side for the reversal taken out here, this candle taken. Then we have an order block here. Okay, and then we have shift and order flow, which is important here. So printed a red candle, we made a fair value gap. This is really good. I really like these. We made a fair value gap after printing a red candle, making this an order block. So now we have an order block here. Price trades back down into the order block, but stays above the fair value gap. Never has a body close it below that fair value gap. Good place to take a trade here, and then your target would be here as one, and then for terminus, I mean, for me personally, my terminus would be up there, and then and then I would trail my stop loss at these red candles here. So that would be the play. So that's kind of an overview of what I should be looking for, kind of the things to look for in while trading. The one reason I took off here, I was scared that the 930, excuse me, the 930 fair value gap would it would close below me. And again, was a really good trade. Well, at least our entries are good. Like, look at that. Can't beat myself up too bad. Our entries were here. We took one off there. We should have just taken a partial close up into that. That's what we should have did. Anyways, entry there. Should have taken off like 5 there. And then left some to run up to this, because I think it's gonna take out this for sure, which is a higher time frame buy side. So I mean, look at those entries. We got one entry here, one entry there, literally on the candle that starts to pivot everything. So not bad, not bad at all. We just gotta keep with our trades, like we've been saying. But that's okay. Even I said that in the last stream. Once I make a decision, I'm just gonna stick with it. I just need to do that, because I'd probably be a lot happier of a person. Alright, and then even that's what I said. I said, well, I would like to see a break above it, and then for the 930 fair value gap to now be inversion, so it come back down in there and then pivot off that. And it did. But I think today was not bad. I mean, if I held my trades, it would have been better, but I'm happy for being able to read the market and then take trades the way I did. Granted, there was some market reading that I was unsure of, but I think that comes with time, some confidence. So we will actually. I want to keep all that to. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call it for the day. Go hang out with my family. And we will see you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys have a lovely day. Stay safe, stay safe, and hope you guys are profitable. Make those gains.